Most people grind their beef, but true texture comes from the cleaver. He minces the steak by hand, not for speed, but for a bite that holds its juice. While the dough rests, he turns the campfire into a bakery using a cast iron oven. This method of stacking coals on a heavy lid goes back centuries, long before modern kitchens, allowing travelers to bake loaves in the wild, and then it is time to build the layers. He stacks the fire-grilled beef into the fresh loaf with melting cheese, which means every bite is warm and smoky. Forget the drive-thru. Who needs a city when you have a river?